Well, firstly, thank you so much to members of the media for being here with us and always being so supportive to everything that we've ever put out. This is a tremendous honor for me to be on this platform. My journey with the spectacular cinema from the South started with Rajamouli sir, with Bahubali in 2013. And I believe that Bahubali not just changed cinema in the global landscape, but also brought out the outstanding cinema that comes from Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada into homes and hearts of North India as well. And we are honored that we began this journey with the legendary Rajamouli sir. Today, and subsequently, we worked with Shankar sir and worked with Rana on Ghazi Attack and several other films. But today, I'm deeply, deeply privileged, humbled and honored to be able to present Mirai. And firstly, my congratulations to you, Vishwa sir, because I know your tremendous passion is what brought you here. You are in a very lucrative business of your own, and it's only we all know that, as they say ना हमारी फिल्मों में कि नाम बड़ा दर्शन छोटा होता है actually, कि नाम बड़ा होता है लेकिन eventually जब आप इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट से बात करते हो और आप कॉर्पोरेशन से बात करते हो तो जिस तरह के पैसे वो कमाते हैं और जब वो हमारे P&L पे जाते हैं और नंबर सुनते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि आप लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हो, काम करते हो, आपका नाम विश्व भर में मशहूर है और ये है आपका प्रॉफिट, इतने पैसे बनाए आपने और इतना काम आप इसीलिए करते हो। फिर मेरा जवाब यही होता है कि हमारे काम में हम नंबर्स नहीं देखते, हम धड़कन सुनते हैं हर फिल्म की। बात है सर। हम दिमाग के साथ हमने कभी फिल्म नहीं बनाई, दिल से बनाई है और इसलिए विश्व सर का जो पैशन है वो वाकई काबिले तारीफ है। वो इस मकाम तक पहुंचे हैं क्योंकि वाकई उन्होंने सिनेमा को कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहा और उसके लिए आपको तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू योरसेल्फ फॉर बीइंग अस एंड बीइंग विद अस टुडे एंड गिविंग अस दिस मैसिव मैग्नेटिक एंड मैग्निफिसेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग मिराई टू द वर्ल्ड। Karthik, what do I say to you? I really believe, when I met Karthik, I thought he was 21 years old. And I couldn't believe that he's the same director who's given us a massive success before this with Karthikeya 2. And now when I saw the vision of Mirai, and he's been an immensely successful cinematographer, but for him to come out and put his heart into this Brahmand, into this Itihas, into the world of Mirai, which is the beginning of many, many more to follow. And what is even more credible, that the kind of work in the VFX component that has been put into this film with limited resources has been come out of India. All of this has worked out of technicians and collaborators in Hyderabad who have done this. And of course the budget is tight, but the vision was large. The dream was large. And what you see, we've heard budgets of films that go into 300s and 400s and 500s. None of us here on this platform will tom-tom about the budget. But the vision is 1,000 crores. The vision has a budget of its own. It's got nothing to do with money spent. It's to do with the energy that everyone has put into this film. I have, before we call the boy himself, another boy, and I feel I'm in some youth conference here right now. I just want to thank everyone from Bhumika and her team for introducing us to the team of Mirai, and to Apurva, who has been such a huge energy at Dharma Productions from the very onset, and I wouldn't have been able to do anything without him. Mirai is the beginning of, hopefully sir, many collaborations between us, and I have always worked magically with filmmakers from the South. I've been very successful, and I think they're lucky for me. I'm not just lucky for them. Every time my name has been attached to a film, we've met with massive success. Well, besides one. But mostly our success rate has been hugely and immense. And I know with a fact, और डंके की चोट पे मैं कहना चाहूँगा, मैं जानता हूँ, जब आप मेरा देखोगे, आप दंग रह जाओगे. Namaskar, shukriya, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Mr. Karan Johar one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Karan sir, a quick question. Mirai से जुड़ा वो ये है कि you've always focused on family values. आपने families और उनका वो जो एक connect होता है वो हमेशा से अपनी फिल्मों में दिखाया है. Was that the reason, और साथ में वो इतिहास जो आपको लगा कि we have to back this film because इतिहास का जो ये रूप है, the way it is being presented in Mirai is something that we've never seen before.
I am a huge fan जब हम दो दुनिया का मिश्रण करते हैं. ब्रह्मास्त्र में भी हमारी कोशिश ये रही थी to make a film that actually is a modern tale which is deeply rooted in ancient civilization stories and in stories of our scriptures, and we began that journey with Brahmastra. So when I saw the world of Mirai, I was blown over, not just because it's deeply rooted in our itihas, but it's deeply rooted in its storytelling. जिस तरह ये आप जब देखोगे तो आइडेंटिफाइबल कहानी है आज जिसके लड़के में जो पला बड़ा है वाराणसी में, और वहां से उनका जो सफर शुरू होता है और फिर उसकी दुनिया में उसका जो इनहेरेंट पावर है उसे पता भी नहीं उसकी एक्सटेंट क्या है ऑफ बीइंग अ सुपर योद्धा, एंड हिज कमिंग ऑफ एज एंड व्हाट यू सी थ्रू दैट जर्नी. और मैं कुछ ज्यादा कहूंगा नहीं, लेकिन वो इंटरवल ब्लॉक जब मैंने देखा तो मैं खुद खड़ा हो गया. मैं बोले ये हो क्या रहा है भैया, ये हमसे कब होगा.
आपसे ही हो रहा है सर, आपने इससे पहले भी किया, आई एम श्योर वापस करेंगे।
इसे क्या कहते हैं, इसे चांस पे डांस होता है ना, कि किसी और ने मेहनत की और हम एंड में आके अपना नाम डाल दिया हमने। ये हमारी मेहनत नहीं है, इनकी जोश जुनून और लगन का असर है।
That's Karan Johar for you, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, with all that passion, वो देख रहे हो आंख में चमक while he's talking about this story. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage that one person who's made it all possible. Of course, his team के support के साथ, the very handsome, the very young. Back to Amchi, Mumbai.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. First of all, thanks to all the media who have come here to encourage us. Every time I'm in front of, sorry. Every time I'm in front of North media, I'm actually a little nervous. I don't know why, but this time मैंने करण सर को लेकर आया हूँ. So I think I have a lot of confidence to talk a lot today. It's a very special film for me. We've put in a lot of hard work. I think everybody says this, but this time you can see our hard work over here. मैंने कुछ speech prepare नहीं किया है आज. I just want to talk दिल खोल के. That's what I want to do. First of all, for this film to happen, from the inception, the seed, the main man is Karthik Ghattamneni. He doesn't talk much. He's a little. I'm nervous. He's shy and nervous, both together. Okay, so he's extremely, supremely talented, and just because of his vision, in whatever resources we had, we were able to deliver this kind of product just because of his vision and his experience towards filmmaking. There might be limitations. There might be obstacles, but our dreams weren't small. We have very big dreams. We want to look like the biggest Indian film out there. For that, we have put in a lot of effort. For that, we need a pillar of support, that is our Vishwa sir. He has believed in us from day one. He stood by us in all obstacles, or all this 2 years journey. He's a very busy man. He's been making many films, but still he was just a phone call away whenever we needed him, just not by investing money. He was always there as an emotional support, as an emotional anchor, and also in all possible ways he was there for us. And then today, to bring this film to you all, Karan sir standing beside us, it means a lot to us. So thanks, Karan sir. You're very kind. We're very thankful to you. As you rightly said, Rajmouli sir has carved this way for us into the national audience. Prabhas sir, Rajmouli sir, Tarakana, Chernana, all of them have put in a lot of effort. They have sacrificed prime time of their careers. They have sacrificed their health to carve a way into the national audience, and we are just riding after them on the road that they've carved, and you have been an integral part in that, of bringing South cinema to the national audience. And I'm pretty sure in the coming days, after Rajmouli sir's next film, after Kantara 2, after Kalki 2, I think we are going to release our films internationally, along with international films with international standards. And today, it's a lot of responsibility for us when Karan sir's name is attached. He has believed in us. We have a lot of responsibility. I hope we deliver it right. I hope you all welcome us with open arms and bless us, so that we get you more and more films and try to make more ambitious films. Yeah, as I said, did I miss anything? Okay, I don't want to make everybody stand for a long time, but September 12th, Mira is coming in theaters. It's going to be an action adventure. There'll be a lot of fantasy, action, adventure, great music. We will give you great high, and also great morals from our itihasas will be there in this film. We will be delivering something big. Thank you.
Thank you so much. After Hanuman, a lot of people thought कि कहीं ना कहीं आप वो एक अलग तरह की कमर्शियल फिल्म करेंगे, कुछ अलग करेंगे, but you've been there for इतिहास के साथ लगे हुए हैं आप. So मुझे बताइए, कुछ लोग कहते हैं थोड़ा अनकूल सा होता है when you talk about धर्म, इतिहास, but with you it's something else.
Sir, I think it's our responsibility. We are born in this land. It's rich of our culture, and there's a lot of history. There are a lot of morals. There are great people who have lived on this land with great morals. I think it's our responsibility to tell that to the next generation audience. But we are making a commercial film. We are making something really cool, and yet we are trying to tell this in those films. Yeah.
About Mirai, what is it that you feel you all are there, and especially as Dharma Productions, to give to the audiences? How important is this collaboration, and how important is it going to be for all the cine lovers out there?
So I think we are really fortunate that we've had this opportunity thanks to Karan with Bahubali, and when you see the visuals of Mirai, you'll understand that it's such a stunningly mounted film. The vision of the producers at People Media Pictures, and of course the passion of the team who's made Mirai is actually remarkable, and we feel so honored and lucky, and thank you so much, sir, for giving us this opportunity to present this film. We really, it's wonderful to see so much magic, and we genuinely believe this is a film that can travel and connect with audiences across the country. So very thankful for this opportunity.
Love the trailer. Congratulations to the entire team. I have two questions, one to Karan and one to Karthik. I'm going to begin with Karan first. Karan, you just spoke about Bahubali. Okay, it's been over a decade you've been supporting films from the South. Is there ever a fear that, hey, what if this film or this project does not fly?
It's not, sorry?
Is there ever a fear when you pick a film that, hey, what if this project does not fly?
But that risk, Shravan, is with any feature film that you make. Like I said right at the top of this conversation, that we're here to be passionate. We sell stories. We want to kind of move, the needle where it comes to pushing Indian cinema and taking it to the global arenas of cinematic audiences. The thing is, if anyone ever focuses on just the result, we'll never be able to create. I think the greatest films made in the world have always started with a great idea, with passion, with conviction, and then execution. The rest is really left up to the audiences. I have never ever made a feature film with a number in my mind, okay, this is my target, this is what I want. Because every time you have done that, that film has failed. Because those are projects, those are not films. And Mirai is a bona fide motion picture. It's made from the strength of its conviction, it's made from the strength of its passion, and really there's never an end result to passion. Passion is limitless.
Makes sense. Also, whenever you don a director's hat, we as audience, we love to see that. Okay. Do we see you diving into the world of our history, our ancient scriptures?
Well, absolutely, and it's been, in fact, I was on the onset of making a feature film that was period historical, and then for various circumstances, including the pandemic, there was a stop on that film. I had researched that film for 2.5 years and wrote that film. Sumit Roy, the screenplay, wrote it, and it was just very heartbreaking when I couldn't make it at that time. So I did dabble. I think film का एक वक्त होता है, और एक नसीब भी होती है कि when you can tell that story. So hopefully, in my trajectory, I'm still very young.
Absolutely.
That was a joke. But eventually, maybe in my trajectory, there will be such a film. Though I firmly believe the kind of, technical finesse, the kind of passion to tell a story of this magnitude is something I'm not even sure I'm capable of. When I see filmmakers like Karthik tell these stories, I feel like I'm a student more than a filmmaker, and I'm learning. So when I watch the brilliance of Bahubali, and when I see the passion and conviction of Mirai, to me, I'm like, I don't know if I'm capable, and it's always better to kind of acknowledge your weaknesses and not pretend it's your strength. This may not be my strength, but it's definitely this young lad's strength.
More power to
I don't want to compare any film with another film. But all I can say is Mirai is going to be an experience for you all. As you said, please go to theatre again in Galaxy on September 12th. वो Jan 12th था, ये September 12th है. इस बार भी आप जाओ, आपको एक एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा. लेकिन इस बार आपका घर का पूरा फैमिली को लेके जाओ सर. We've made a very clean film. आप पूरा फैमिली को, आपका बच्चे लोगों को, पेरेंट्स को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करण सर से एंड डायरेक्टर सर से भी है. जिस तरह से करण सर ने बाहुबली को प्रेजेंट किया था यहाँ पे, लक्ष्य सर को किल में प्रेजेंट किया, न्यू कमर्स को ज़्यादा चांस देने के लिए जाने जाते हैं करण सर। तो अभी हमारी इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सर ऐसा क्या हो गया, लाइक बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में, कि बड़े बड़े बजट्स की फिल्म बन रही है, बट बॉक्स ऑफिस पे रिसेंट टाइम पर सबने देखा है कि कलेक्शन कैसा निकल कर आ रहा है। तो क्या लगता है ऐसी फिल्में जो कम बजट में प्रेजेंट हो रही है और लोगों को अट्रैक्ट कर रही है थिएटर की तरफ, हमने रिसेंट टाइम पर बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी, सैयारा देखी, उसके बाद जो महाअवतार नरसिम्हा आई, अब ये भी कहीं ना कहीं विजुअली वाइज अच्छी दिख रही है। तो क्या लगता है प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू ज्यादा हो रहा है या फिर एक्टर्स की फीस ज्यादा हो रही है, जहां पर बजट बढ़ रहा है बट फिल्में नहीं चल पा रही?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हर फिल्म की अपनी नसीब होती है, हर फिल्म की अपनी कहानी होती है। ऐसा बहुत बार ये भी हुआ है कि बहुत बड़े स्टार्स हैं और बहुत बड़े एक्टर्स हैं और वो फिल्म बहुत चली भी है। तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है, और ऐसा सारे एक्टर्स अब समझने लगे हैं कि दे हैव टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू द फिल्म्स विजन, और वो अपना डील सेपरेटली कर रहे हैं। एवरीबडी इज बिकम अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ आवर टाइम्स। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम एक बॉक्स में नहीं डाल सकते कि अच्छा आपने यंग एक्टर्स को लिया और आपका विजन बड़ा है तो वो फिल्म चलेगी। ऐसे ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है कि वो फिल्म भी नहीं चली है, और ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ कि आपने सुपरस्टार्स को लिया है, विजन बड़ा है, वो फिल्म बहुत चली है। तो ऐसा कुछ कह नहीं सकते। हर दौर होता है, हर फिल्म होती है, हर एक्सपीरियंस अलग होता है। हमने कितने सारी ऐसी फिल्में देखी हैं साल में जो वाकई हमारी नैरेटिव को चेंज करती रहती है। अभी बहुत सारी फिल्में न्यू कमर्स के साथ आएंगी जो म्यूजिकल्स होंगी। ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सब फिल्में सैयारा बन जाएंगी, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है। ऐसे बहुत सारे एनिमेशन फिल्म आएंगी। ऐसा ये भी नहीं है कि वो सारा नरसिम्हा महाअवतार रिजल्ट होगी। ऐसा कुछ रूल नहीं होता। बॉक्स ऑफिस has no rules. You have to create stories, tell different stories, and then the film becomes like Teja said, ये फिल्म आपकी है। आप तय करेंगे कि ये पिक्चर को आपको बिजनेस देनी है, प्यार देना है, बहुत सारी इज्जत देनी है। ये बाकी सारा audiences, as they say, consumer is king, for us audience is God. They will decide. Rajamouli sir for us is like, he's like literally the benchmark of great cinema of India. We are all humble students wanting to learn from the master. He's a master. You cannot ever dare to compare to Rajamouli sir's vision. I wouldn't, and I'm sure everyone who has tremendous respect for him in their hearts will say the same thing. Here I want to say, it is a totally different experience that you're going to have when you watch Mirai. It's very, very different from anything you have seen. The narrative, the combination of deep-rooted civilization itihas blended with modern-day storytelling and the exceptional emotion that flows within it. It's a totally different experience, and I wouldn't compare this to anything you've ever seen anywhere.
तेजा लास्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा आपसे है। तेजा हियर, भावना शर्मा नवभारत।
मैम बोलिए।
हाँ, ये कोइंसिडेंस है कि आपका हनुमान में भी ये कैरेक्टर है कि आप बहुत एक कॉमन मैन है और उसके बाद आप सुपर हीरो बन जाते हैं, आपको अपनी शक्तियों के बारे में नहीं पता। इस फिल्म में भी थोड़ा सा जो हमने देखा वो, और लोगों ने उसको बहुत पसंद किया था हनुमान को, और आई थिंक इसको भी पसंद करेंगे। मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये कोइंसिडेंस है, पर क्या आपको ये नहीं लगता है कि जिस तरह से जो स्पाइडरमैन है हमारे, जिनको लोग इतना पसंद करते हैं इसलिए क्योंकि वो खुद अपनी शक्तियों को नहीं जानता था, वो फैक्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा आपके इस कैरेक्टर के लिए?
It's like you're the chosen one for this, of course. पहले हनुमान में हमने आपको देखा, फिर यहाँ पर देखा. So, are you the chosen one is what she's trying to?
Ma'am, I strongly believe that there is a higher power that is guiding me. Otherwise, these kind of stories wouldn't come to me. And from where I have started, I come from no background. Even in Telugu, I come from no background. From where I have started, I was going from office to office for my break or for an opportunity. And in the same banner, after growing up, I've been a child actor, but after growing up, in the same banner, in Vishwasa's banner, I have done a character in their film. From there, I became a lead actor, and now sitting here today, along with Karan sir, addressing national media, it is not a small thing for me, ma'am. There is definitely universe helping me. Bhagwan ka krupa mujh par hai. I believe it, ma'am. Yeah.
Hi Teja, I'm supporting this question also. I'm supporting these questions. I have seen that you are very religious person. Always you do religious in your films and all.
Sorry, ma'am.
You are very religious person. Each and every films in between religious and all.
Are you a religious person in life? No. Religious.
Religion in every film you're saying. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand this question. Nobody asks anybody who does the same love story again and again and again. Why are you asking when we are trying to show our dharma? We have to be proud of it. This is our land.
Sure, we are proud.
This is our...
Yeah,
no,
sure.
ma'am. Ma'am, what I would like to say is these are our morals, and moreover, it's a, whatever you have seen the trailer, it's a 3 minute 10 seconds trailer. उसमें 10 सेकंड का हमारा भगवान श्री राम का दर्शन है. उसके लिए आप पूछ रहे रिलीजियन वगैरह, ये फिल्म में फैंटेसी है, एक्शन है, एडवेंचर है, एंड हनुमान भी, उसमें भी वो एक सुपर हीरो कहानी है, उसमें एक सिस्टर है, उसका एक अलग इमोशन है. लेकिन जो भी हम we are trying to bring out a small moral or a connection with Itihasas in a very cool way. You have to be happy that for the younger generation we are trying to tell our history in a very cool way, ma'am. I hope
I think he said it all, ladies and gentlemen. We'll just wrap this up. बोलिए.